Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Now today I've had a request from Orla who'd like me to draw a palm tree. So this is what we're going to be drawing, a really nice simple palm tree. All that you're going to need is one black pen and a variety of coloured pencils. Just some greens, blues and yellows and some browns. And remember, if you like drawing, please download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you'll find just here. Anyway, let's get started. So we're going to start off with the ground. I'm just going to draw something like that. Now our palm tree is going to be slightly sloping over towards the right hand side, so you may want to start your drawing slightly to the left. We're going to start off with a shape like this. Now we're going to build on that and do the same shape going upwards. And as you can see, they're getting slightly smaller the further up we go. So this one's slightly thinner than this one. And remember to give it a little bit of a tilt. Now they don't all have to be the same shape, because in nature things aren't always perfect. Getting smaller and smaller and smaller, all the way to the top. And now we're going to draw the coconuts. So, one coconut here, another coconut peeking out behind, and one more coconut here. Now we're going to do a series of kind of curved lines. So one curved line is coming out like that, another curved line coming out like that, one more curved line coming out the top, and then we've got another one here, and then one down below. Okay, so now we're just going to join up the tips of the curved lines with a straight line going straight back to the palm tree. So a straight line like that, straight line coming down, another one like that, another one coming down like that, and then one like that. And that's your palm tree. Now if you want to carry on, just experiment, go wild, put some birds in the background. We could even add this, we could make it into a little desert island and have some water coming down the bottom. There we go. You could add like a little an umbrella there and somebody stranded on this desert island. We could add a little boat in the background or whatever you like. Now I'm just going to colour it in very quickly using a variety of these colouring pencils, but feel free to colour it in exactly how you want to do it. So there's your finished palm tree. You may have noticed that I used this raw sienna pencil to colour it all in first. So I did it all in yellow just to provide an element of cohesion so that all the colours blended in nicely. And then I added in the greens, the browns, and a little bit a brighter yellow, and then the blues. So if you've enjoyed this, please hit subscribe and like, and if you've got any requests, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, goodbye.